How to draw top view and roof plan using Microsoft Excel Part 6. Welcome to Gawaka Studio. This video tutorial is a continuation of the episode, How to Draw Side View and Roof Plan using Microsoft Excel Part 5. In this episode I will show how to sketch the view of the top and roof plan, a semi-detached house. To understand the technique in detail, you need to follow this video to the end, and observe and understand the movement of the arrows, step by step until completed. Before we get started, I would really appreciate if you click the like and subscribe button, as this video will provide knowledge, information, and be useful for you. Alright, now we start the process and technique of making a top view and roof plan. The first process, as a basic guide, use the work from tutorial part 4. Next, make a sketch on the roof area. Go to the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, and on the shape click Freeform, Sharp. Create an image like the display on the screen. In this process you can use copy and paste techniques, image rotation, and bring to front, and send to back. After that you can specify the color and pattern of your choice. The next process is to make a sketch or line on the roof. You can use the roof image from the tutorial part 5. Copy and paste the image and arrange according to the number you need. And arrange the image until it filled the roof area. After that, group the image so that the position of the image remains in place. The next process is to make a ridge on the roof. Go to the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes, on block arrows click Pentagon. Sketch the roof ridge according to the appropriate size and color. Next, rotate and move the image on the roof sketch. Copy and paste the image, and arrange according to the number you need. After that, group the image. Next, copy and paste and move the ridge image to the area you want. The next process is to make a roof on the carport area. Do and repeat like the first process technique until completed. Observe and follow the movement of the step-by-step arrows carefully. Okay, done. Through all the production of work from tutorials part 1 to part 6. You can make it the basis for other things or projects, such as making estimates and building costs, calculating material quantities, construction progress, editing, etc. I hope you can understand and be able to do it perfectly. Maybe you need a little practice to dominate this technique. I hope this video tutorial gives knowledge and is beneficial to you. As a token of appreciation and thanks, I request you to click the like and subscribe button on this video. If you're interested in following the full episode, please visit the Gowaka Studio channel. In the channel you will be able to follow a complete tutorial entitled How to Draw Elevations Plan Using Microsoft Excel Part 1. How to Draw Floor Plan Using Microsoft Excel Part 2. How to Draw Floor Plan Detail and Finishing Using Microsoft Excel Part 3. How to Draw Floor Plan Accessory and Landscape Using Microsoft Excel Part 4. How to Draw Side View and Roof Plan Using Microsoft Excel Part 5. How to Draw Top View and Roof Plan Using Microsoft Excel Part 6. The Making of Semi-Detached House Plan Using Microsoft Excel Part 7. See you in the next episode. Thank you. From Gowaka Studio.